If your goal is to make some extra cash, you've come to the right place. Whether you want to make money online, make money offline, or make some extra income from home, we've got you covered with this mega list of easy money making ideas. They range from part-time jobs to passive income, but most are side gigs you could easily do in your spare time without risking your full-time job. Here's a long list of our favorite ways to earn extra cash and make money online during otherwise free time. Scroll through and find the ones that are best for you. Number 1. Become an influencer. Social media has made it possible for anyone to connect with a worldwide audience. The key to becoming an influencer is presenting yourself as an authentic, relatable, and entertaining persona in a specific niche. Once you've garnished a following on Instagram or TikTok, brands may reach out to have you promote their products to your audience through affiliate marketing. It's a super easy way to receive free products, make affiliate dollars, or get paid flat money working with relevant brands. Become a content creator. Similar to becoming a social media influencer, you can also get paid for creating content as a blogger or on online platforms like YouTube and Twitch. You'll need to focus on an area in which you have extra knowledge to share and make your content engaging and entertaining. Once you meet a certain threshold of followers, these platforms will pay you based on ad views within your content. They handle the advertising for you, so it's a fairly passive way to make extra cash. Number 3. Deliver food and groceries. You've probably had food or groceries delivered to your home at some point during the past few years. Have you considered working on the other side? With the explosion of delivery apps, it is so simple to join as a driver and start making money by running other people's errands. Below is a list of the most popular delivery apps you can join now: Uber Eats, Doordash, Instacart. Number 4. Walk dogs or be a pet sitter. Maybe you prefer animals over people. Rover is a money-making service for you to connect with pet owners in need. With Rover, you make money by dog walking for owners who aren't able to provide enough daily exercise. You can also offer cat or dog sitting services in your own home or drop in visits at their house. It's the perfect way to get your animal fix and make some extra cash. So friends, how did you like today's video? Do tell us by commenting. And if you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.